Hi guys, it's Chef Aviv here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you, after long research and testing, the fluffiest pancake you will ever eat. Alright guys, here we have salt, egg, oil, baking powder, sugar, milk, vanilla extra, flour, and a whisk. Start with the dry ingredients. We're gonna add sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Let's mix it well. In a small bowl, we're going to add the egg, oil, a tablespoon of vanilla extra, and the milk. I'm using half and half, but you can use any kind of milk you like. Let's mix until well combined. You can always substitute the oil with butter or even coconut oil. That's all for the hard work. Let's mix well. If you see the mixture is too thick, add another tablespoon of milk. If it's too loose, add a tablespoon of flour. I'm keeping the mixture in the fridge for about half an hour. I'm gonna pour the mixture into a piping bag just to make it easier on myself. For this recipe, I'm using small cast iron pan, but you can use any kind of pan you have. For each pan, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of butter, the secret behind a perfect, fluffy, airy pancake, you need to cook it nice and slow. I'm just gonna pipe the pancake mixture into each pan equally. The piping bag just make it easy to pour it, and it's not messy. Let's cook the pancake for about 4 minutes on medium-low heat. As you can see, we have here the bubble. That's one of our signs that our pancake is getting cooked, and it's time to flip it. After 4 minutes on the other side, it's time to take it out. As you can see, I cook another 2 pancakes, so I have a stack of 4. So I said, if I'm already making pancake, let's eat it all the way. Here I have some strawberry, blueberry, blackberry. You can use any type of fruit you like, guys. Sliced bananas, even fresh peaches or nectarine. I just made here orange segment. This is a very nice addition for this pancake. I'm adding icing sugar. This is just an optional for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Chef Aviv. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and ring the bell.